If you were anywhere near the Capitol on January 6th, you may be getting a knock on the door from the FBI. Agents are tracking people whose cell phones touched Wi-Fi or pinged the towers near the insurrection or during the insurrection. And Bruce LaShan spoke to one woman who says she was a little unnerved when the agent came to her door.
They don't call first, they just come to your house.
Bree Stevens says an FBI agent told her they were reaching out to every single person whose cell phone put them near the Capitol during the riots.
Say hi, Emmy.
Hi. Stevens was out for a walk with a friend and his two daughters, and they were diverted by bomb scares until they ended up right next to the insurrection.
They busted the perimeter.
The adults and kids were cordoned off.
Can we just go like up to that tree?
They're throwing gas
that would be
and
safe.
all sorts of stuff.
And unable to get back to their apartments near the Navy Yard for 4 hours.
You don't want to be anywhere that they're going to go.
And you looked out to where the Washington Monument was, and it was just this siege of people.
Monday night, investigators knocked on the door of her friend's apartment.
You're in your house clothes, and his little girl had just painted his toenails, so that was a little bit embarrassing.
Stevens was out of town, so the agent called her on the phone the FBI had tracked.
You thought it was pretty creepy that they could track your phone based on it pinging off the towers.
Extremely creepy, because he explained that they had everyone's phone number from pinging off the cell phone towers, and they know basically exactly where you were at.
He told you you weren't suspects.
Correct.
He just wanted you to help track down these people.
Right. Just because we had been in the area and we might have pictures or be able to identify.
Some civil rights advocates are concerned about the FBI's ability to harvest data from cell phone towers, like the one here disguised as a tree. The FBI declines to discuss its investigative methods, but if some of these rioters thought they were going to get away with it, this may be a sign justice is coming. Bruce LaShan, WUSA 9.